Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the reader mode in Google Chrome on Windows. This feature is necessary as it helps you focus better on content by removing distractions like ads, pop-ups and sidebars. So, if this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First of all, open Google Chrome. So I'm gonna launch my Google Chrome browser and after then click on this three-dot bar on the top right corner and then select More Tools. And if you hover over here, you will see some options on the left side. So select Reading Mode. And now, if you open an article or blog, you can apply these settings or options. So normally More Tools, Reading Mode, and it will take some time. And that's it. You can now read them very efficiently. Reader mode simplifies the page by removing unnecessary elements, which makes reading easier and more enjoyable. If this video helped you, please like, comment and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.